mentoring program is where an experienced farmer like myself passes some knowledge that I've gained over the last 7 years since we've been farming to a farmer, a new entrant who is facing the same problems as we faced, and we hopefully pass some answers on quicker than them looking themselves.
I've applied for the mentoring scheme through Farming Connect for some help and some advice, to talk to a person to help me develop my farm business, to help me understand more about what I can do here, to help me build on my existing knowledge and to look into areas I might not have thought to look into.
I think a mentor can help improve the business through encouraging the mentee to, or Bryony in this case, to record KPIs, benchmark against other farms in the local area. I think it's great that a mentor is somebody who's been there, done it and proved that it works.
Ben's been fantastic showing me around his farm. I've got to see how he runs his practice. I've got to see how he fits his farming into other jobs that he does. It's been hugely useful to be able to go onto somebody else's farm and see how they do things. Ben's come to my farm here, we've walked around, we've looked at stock, we've discussed ideas. So far it's going really well. I look forward to spending a bit more time finely tuning things and discovering more.
Obviously the relationship will be built on trust. As we get to know each other as the program goes on, we'll learn to trust one another, and hopefully I can help the business move forward. It's great to talk to somebody that's had the experience. I'll surely learn something from Bryony and she'll hopefully learn something from me, or quite a bit from myself. Knowledge transfer is key.